boys and girls. No, wait. Hello, boys and... Hello, boys and girls. It's almost Halloween, and you know what that means. It means razor blades in your apples and fentanyl in your candy. Yay! No, wait. Just forget I said all that stuff. Halloween is great. So, one of the best parts about Halloween is carving your jack-o'-lanterns. I'm here to tell you several ways to carve a jack-o'-lantern. I'm an expert at carving jack-o'-lanterns. So, boys and girls, let's get started with step one. You need a Sharpie. Any other brand won't work. It's got to be a Sharpie permanent marker. It's important, it's extremely important, if you're going to make a good jack-o'-lantern, to draw out your face and your pattern or whatever you're going to make first. So let's do that. I want to make mine really, really scary. So look at this. Going to have like that eye really open, the eyebrow. That eye open even more. Really surprised and scared. I'm going to make this mouth open. And I'm going to make fangs. Look at this. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. But I'm drawing out some fangs here. Well, pig nose maybe, I don't know. Some ears over here. Some ears over here. I'm going to make a weird shaped ear over here because I want this guy to be really messed up. Okay, let's get started with the actual carving. Second pull, right? Get the fuck all of them. There. That's just about friggin' perfect right there. That is one of the best jack-o'-lanterns I think I've ever seen in my life. And it's a kind of a good workout too. Alright, so don't forget you need a candle. Oh. Right, boys and girls? You need a candle in your jack-o'-lantern. Maybe it's too windy to light a candle, but it's gonna happen. Because I live life on the edge. Come on, there. There, isn't that gorgeous? You got your candle, and you got an absolutely beautiful jack-o'-lantern. Alright, let's go to method 2 now. Blow this puppy out so we don't burn the countryside down. Alright, kitties. No, alright, kitties. For method number 2, we go with a nice, sharp surgical instrument. I'll show you that instrument right about now. You can just grab something from your kitchen, preferably the sharper the better. I'm sure everybody has one of these in their kitchen, right? It's pretty sharp, just grab it. I'm not gonna put okay, hold on. Beep, try again. And what's wrong with me? What's the matter with me? Let's turn on this camera too. How do you work this thing? Yeah, it's like that. And then you press that. Start! storage. I mean, darn it. How can storage be full? Okay, please stand by. I thought I formatted that card or something. What the world? Okay, boys and girls. Okay, boys and girls. I cannot stress enough the importance of making a nice outline or pattern or something with the Sharpie before you start. So eyes, pig nose, really scary mouth. Messed up horns. Let's put some horns in there. Weird ears, scary ears. It's gotta be scary, right? It's Halloween. All right. Don't forget, you need a really sharp instrument. Probably just grab one out of the kitchen. Something really sharp like this. Here we go with method number 2, carving a jack-o'-lantern for the boys and girls. Oh, I put a hole right through the top of his skull. Maybe that's just, am I done? No, let's go a little more. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Look at this. Look in here. Isn't that gorgeous? This camera too. Look at that. That's beautiful. I don't know. Maybe one more with the delicate, sharp, interesting. One more with the delicate, sharp, interesting. Oh, come on. Take a real man swing. There! That's about perfect, I think, right there. You can do too much. All right, where's the candle? Real important. Maybe it'll be easier to light this time. That's hot. Hot things are hot. As Paris Hilton would say, this is hot. Okay. I'm done lighting the candle every time. Just imagine it's lit. Wait a minute, maybe I can light it right here. That's hot. There. Beautiful. Oh, don't blow it out, wind. I'll just set it right. Isn't that nice? Perfect. That's your basic, perfect. Darn. That would win all kinds of prizes at the fair or something, right? Oh man, I am taking this to the fair and entering it. There's still a couple days left. All right, let's go to method number 3. Safety fourth, blow out your candle. All right, boys and girls. No. Hello, boys and girls. Hello, boys and girls. This is method number 3. Are we on 3? We're on 3. I've got an assistant to help me out with another delicate instrument, a little bit different than this delicate instrument. And if a punkin ever says, go ahead, punk, make my day, you go, do 50 bullets in your ass make your day?
I can't believe it. Because he would have been dead a long time ago talking that shit. Make my day. Right, because as soon as he said, make my day, boom, do 50 bullets in your ass make your day. You know.
Well, we're not just gonna let you walk out of here.
Who's we, sucker?
Smith and Wesson and me. Go ahead. Make my day.
I said drop your guns to the ground.
Make us, Carve. It's 3 of us, and it's only one of you.
Well, why don't you meet my friends, Mr. Smith and Mr. Wesson.
Wow, that's a big gun, man.
You know, it's not just a gun, it's a .44 Magnum. It's the most powerful handgun around.
No shit.
No shit.
Yo, man, how much did it cost?
I don't know, about $300. I'm not sure, though. I got it on sale.
How many bullets does it hold?
6.
Larry,
What?
I got a cramp in my neck.
I better aim. What the world? Boom! 50 bullets in your ass. Or your head. Or boom! 50 bullets in your ass. Or your head. Or your Thank you. Is that all of them?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I better aim. What the world? Are you done? Okay, don't shoot. Okay, boys and girls. No, I mean, okay, boys and girls. Oh shit, that's not a... Let's try a different marker. This one is pineapple flavored. All right, boys and girls. Welcome to Smashing Pumpkins, no. Carving Jack-o'-lanterns number 4. For this one, I made a happy face, because, oh, there goes my kitty. It's a happy time, the sun's shining and whatnot. So, you know, don't forget, extremely important to draw out your pattern or your face or whatever. There's oh, Poopy Kitty, you're gonna help? I suggest you move, or unless you're gonna be carved like the jack-o'-lantern. There.
I was gonna say I have to go back again, but you did it.
How did I, was I too far left on the first one?
No,
Or too far right?
it just
Just kind of popped out?
it just took it like a champ. It did go under your tire, just kind of like popped out.
I got it. Can't wait to see that. Me. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I'm pretty sure I pressed record, but you know, I live half my life in the Twilight Zone and I live it on the edge. Let's fire it up a little bit for this camera first, because I don't even know if I got anything on the GoPro. It was kind of aimed wrong, I think. this time. It says I'm recording, but you never know. Hey, stay in there. There. Now, isn't that pretty? Don't forget the candle. There you go, boys and girls. It's a beautiful day in my neighborhood because I get to do up. I mean, I get to do really cool stuff because I live life on the edge and I'm free. That's pretty cool. All right, don't forget to be excellent to each other and subscribe, dadgummit. What's the matter, you? Did I mention I live life on the edge? I got all kinds of cool stuff coming up. Maybe. Probably. I promise. I promise it's probably. Bye-bye.
This is the inside of the VCR.
Put it under there. No, put the bomb under there. Well, there's the water heater from our little flash powder bomb. Tell you, ounce for ounce, it's more powerful than dynamite. Gathered all we could find of the VCR, and there it is on top of the water heater.